everyone, sorry I've been gone so long. I haven't been feeling like myself lately. So, I'm back I guess for now. Anyway, to the video. So I'm gonna talk about something a little different. I have played this game called Ratchet and Clank since I was 8 years old, and I have found many a glitch and many a weird. Like this invisible wall that Ratchet finds on Planet Novelist. And this, I call them fly puppies. Also glitching on Planet Novelist. Can you tell that this is my favorite level in all the games? Let's get to the ultimate glitch. I found out about this glitch from a video that was made a couple years back, and I decided to try it out. It's literally just Ratchet walking on the track.
A brand new platinum zoom radar to the winner of this competition.
Basically what you do is, you see how it says you need a hoverboard to race? Well, apparently you don't need the hoverboard to race, because I tried out this glitch. It took me a while to figure it out, but I figured it out. And yeah, let's just watch this. So in this old AF Ratchet and Clank game, I know I'm years late, the boxes respawn when you pass them because it's the racetrack, but it's just a little bit weird when you're running on it. Go back? Haunted boxes. How terrifying. That's not the only thing, of course, because you go down the track and you eventually find the hoverboard right there, that little glowing thing in the distance. That's the hoverboard. And even though you don't have your hoverboard, there it is. Oh. I forgot to edit that out. Oh well. And you just start racing. That's basically it. And then I won the race without the hoverboard.
Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers.
Ratchet, Clank. Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your info box to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you, and have a cool-tastic day.
And there you go, guys. Do you even need to go to Planet Iridia now? Just kidding, you need the Trespasser, but still. I wanted to go to Iridia anyway, just to prove that I did do this, because I'm bored and in quarantine, and yeah, so here it is. Didn't get to him yet, and bam.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. I haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog.
You just insulted yourself.
If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races at Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm about to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
You're a freaking liar.
Do you have people?
And then I proceeded to defeat the sand sharks with the sand mouse, because why the heck not? So that's it for the ultimate Ratchet and Clank glitch. I might make more about Ratchet and Clank. Who knows? I'll see you on the flip side. Coddiwomple out.